it make me this sad when I see partners when they fight over things where they're not supposed to fight about. When it's supposed to be things where they're supposed to settle, right? So these partners actually, for this particular instance now, the man say in don't tire for the way in wife they behave in the marriage. Say in wife suddenly they selfish. Say in wife suddenly now they do so many things wrong. The wife said the husband they do wrong things too. But the man specifically they ask for divorce. The woman say, okay, if you must go that way, you want divorce, then every single thing where we own in this house, all the income and everything, they must share them equal. The husband say, why? He say, because I made you. Because now me make you who you be. From your business to your companies to every single thing, to houses and property where we say we get, I made you. So if we must finalize divorce, everything must be shared equally. The man say every single thing where he gets they in name, and say so she they talk rubbish. But the interesting thing in this story is that the woman now they ask, say may they go the native way. If the man they lie, say everything where he get, na him work am by himself. Say may they go her village. No, I think I need to be safe, so I don't mention the village and the name of the oracle in charge. I need to be safe now to because when I fit till time to village matter now. But the woman they ask say may they go the native way, may they go swear an oath for that oracle place. If waiting the man they talk not true, and if waiting she they talk not lie. The man say no go do am. But so much pressure in the family now because the woman say if they talk for court, say now you get waiting you because my name no come up for paper because it's always Mr. and Mrs. Do you understand? Or whether na Mr. or most of the property na the man name. So make we go swear. Say truly now you get, now waiting because I know say most of the times we don't discuss something we come close to husband and wife trying to divorce, and then the issue is that about property, how we go share them and everything. But on this particular case now, so one of the platform where they discuss this, but actually some Nigerians supporting me, they go swear. So it don't reach. I can't the reason and they even come to our government now. Say maybe be like say if we begin swearing and maybe things go work because it's like people just come up with. But Lagos, what do you think? This now women's corner. When people don't decide now, they talk say their way out now to go. I know one column is not diabolic because actually plenty people that practice that as part of their religion, huh? So I try not to speak on matters where I don't know much about, because if now your religion, I don't want to make you feel like say they push you aside, they glorify my own, you get. But waiting you think, Lagos, to go swear say waiting the woman they ask, the man say I know they ask for anything. No, if you say this all these things now you working by yourself. Now you get them. I no start up business for you. I no give you ideas. I no push you. No nothing. Make we go swear. You go swear. I go swear. The man say go the girl village. Maybe he don't plan. It's okay. Make we go another. He mention another gods where they are another oracle where they somewhere else. Hey Jehovah. If I ought to say as it don't reach like this, everything it does because I don't even know anymore. I don't know. So this not like the way out for people right now. Once I remember, I'm like, they shock me. But what do you think, Lagos? I go take this break. Once I come back, you go choke my out. Una don't they go oracle to swear in your own personal space too. You don't see where it happen. Or what do you think say go be the solution for this matter? How do we resolve this issue? If you there inside this kind of matter, how you go take resolve them? Will they come back now? Women's gonna be this. Lagos, welcome back. We're still there here for you on top your Chukma station, Wazobia FM. I see they pick calls now. Women's gonna be this, and we'll go wrap up soon. But who there on top the phone line?
Hello, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome, Suleiman.
It's for made the man no follow at all.
Okay.
Yes, because The guy say the man no get anything. The woman for pack load and run away midnight. Because of the man get something, I make the woman they say make they go rack or go do what they want do. Because woman get power. If you know myself, even though they say they want go there, midnight, you go ferry there before the man. Go tell rack that man they come. Make killer. I may leave the property for me. Man get power. For me to advise the man, may the man no agree for law. The rapper where he first carry call, the woman will agree make the chair. May he carry the rapper go where he go. So maybe
but she dey talk say na she make the man. So as the man no gree now, may they go oracle go settle am.
Check. You know here waiting me they let you know. If the man don't get anything, no go say na him make her be wetin he be because of his
okay.
Na him make her dey say na him be wetin he make her be.
Okay.
Woman get power. May he no
wow. You be like say you dey this way they talk now from somewhere you dey come.
Woman get power.
But man get power too. Everybody get power.
We know say man get power. That the power of the woman is the power of man.
How? Explain to me. How the woman power be?
Even though afternoon, he go there, go meet Oracle, say the man they come. Even though not be village, not be woman. Not be woman.
How? This is why they do now bad PR for women. Why they sell to what a woman do you?
Not be bad thing.
Now bad PR now. You just they shout chai. Not be woman like say they don't come off food for your mouth before.
No, women get power. They get power.
This power, maybe me and you know they're the same page. I don't know where you did.
Woman can slap president self.
Why he go snap president? They go swap.
They go remove her for power. They say he just snap his wife. Woman get power. Make the man. The only thing waiting the man, the woman will do.
Mr. Slime, I don't know again.
So remove shade. Go beg the man. Say, Oga, I beg, forgive me. Na mistake. Make it rate. May I call back for house. That is from my own condition.
If the marriage don't tire her, uncle, may she come back for house where they don't set on fire already.
Okay, the marriage tire her. May leave the children. The man will use the company and the property.
Now, actually, the man say you don't want the marriage again. Now, what you bring up this matter?
Let the woman say that they tire for the house.
My brother, no.
May he go. The little one, you go tell the man, say, oh, God, they pay me salary. That was still there, another thing.
Caller, some people, they say, make you explain the woman get power, or make you leave them alone, I beg. Yeah, thank you for your call. Lagos Chukwato.
Hello, Cheche.
Off your radio, please. Thank you.
Hello, Cheche.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's a simple thing. The last caller made a great point. Because I'm a living witness. It happened. I thought the woman was joking. But this woman was just going from one native doctor to another. To an extent that she called me, said, I'm the one troubling you. Shady, you say you are a great man. I will show you. But to the glory of God, since we started, she never borrowed me money or even give me an idea to do whatever.
So what you want the fight for? What be the fight about?
She said she was in my house. I bought a land and start building that we work everything together.
So she not support you, she not help you, she dey lie?
What naira is not there. You know women. Okay, if that man were sick to the extent that there is no money, the woman would have run and leave that man. But because she has seen something, so she wants her own portion of this thing.
But the portion where she then wants, now she say now she follow build them.
Did she give that man any money? Or does she import anything for that man to sell so that the money will come?
She said now the business, she starts the business with them. She register everything.
She ate out of it. She ate out of the money.
So she don't chop her own share?
Yes, now.
Okay, thank you.
She has eating this thing. So,
.1.
No, women's corner court now we there. So I get few minutes before I enter Palava. Good afternoon, Mama.
It's Mrs. Tutte.
Oh, get me louder.
Yes, everybody have already said it. You see, that man, it's still not a fear. He's supposed to follow the woman now go village. Because as the two of them suffer for it, unless now woman will not get any work to do. Or maybe now he only him bought everything. But as far as the two of them bought, the woman contribute, all of them buy things together. The man, what he was supposed to do, give the woman her own share. And let the woman move forward. You go. He said he's the one that wants divorce, not the woman self. Give her own share, let her go. And you carry your own goal. There is still life. We work hard to make it again, and for the ones that you lose from the woman's hand, you make your own. And leave the woman, let the woman still continue her own. So you're not supposed to be taken because of ethnic fighting the woman. If he wants to collect it by fire by force, let them go village now. Let him go and swear.
Yeah, Mrs. Uche. Thank you. Thank you so much. Lagos took mouth.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon. I know they hear you well. Okay.
So my own be say that man. You see where you and the woman suffer together. You want another woman to go for them and enjoy. That's why you want divorce him. And you don't want to give him his own share. That one have not done. You go give him his own share. If you don't need, you go more. Because that is the all right. Understand? So, I don't know.
As well. Thank you so much. I go still pick a few more calls. Hello, before I read messages. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Chacha.
Hey, Mama.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you, darling.
Okay, now, my name is Blessing. See, even if they don't do anything together, if you want to die, you divorce woman, you not to give her something to start life. That's when don't they with her. You actually say the woman no get anything for inside, and the woman say you come and start something. Let them go because did you do the work very well?
Oh!
I come out deep for my race. I got no time again. My grandmother don't say anybody will carry that thing. He go swear. Before they play, they come grandpa. I didn't tell you.
Bye-bye. Leave me alone. Yeah, blessed. Thank you. Lagos. Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, so good afternoon for that side.
Good afternoon for here too.
Yes, so it better be saying the kind of matter come on our backyard.
Where be your backyard? Okay.
Our backyard, they do now. Yeah, she say that one said the sweat for that place with the walk past those babalawo there. For my own man, you see say the woman don't already arrange everything down. Where they want to carry my first arrange everything, but they
yes.
come on our backyard. Last, I see say the woman go start the cry say, yeah.
Why she go cry?
I must cry. You know, say the truth like this, they come outside and cry in our last.
Which truth? You don't even know where you they go. Your points don't get point, I beg. Come on for it. Lagos chook mouth. I think say get one serious. They carry me, they go where I know. Lagos chook mouth. Welcome.
Good afternoon.
I say welcome.
Yes, so thank God you see my call today.
Welcome.
Yes, ma'am. It's Flora from Ireland.
All right, Flora.
Yes, me, I want to put mouth.
Chook mouth.
It's just that the matter don't wear trousers. The man no go gree go because he knows say if he ain't go swear the thing go affect him.
So he dey walk.
Yeah, take care now for you. Sharp.
I not gonna ask question why 31 no no. That wow.
Sharp, he dey guilty. That's why he no gree follow the woman. Yes.
Okay.
So what you have to advise the woman, maybe she should move on with her life. God will provide another one.
Now wow.
Other people.
It sure say if the man no follow and go, the woman feel go on her own. Since she no say this thing they work.
If she go I want not to kill him without anything.
Hey, I beg you.
I know things say she gonna go let her happy.
Oh yeah, now thank you, caller. Hello, caller. Good afternoon. Ejimka, welcome.
I'm not getting anything to talk, but I say you. Good afternoon.
Okay. Lagos, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Cheche.
Yes.
This is Iko from Lagos.
Welcome, Iko.
What I want to ask, when they started this relationship, did they go to anywhere?
I don't even know.
So since they didn't start with going to any shrine altar to swear, as they take start, make them take like that, finish them.
Okay.
The man, if he get something, if God touch him, make him give him something. But if God no touch him, make him not go anywhere and make as him don't decide say he no go marry. Make everybody go anywhere and start.
Make I ask, you think say this your solution na the fair way to handle them? If the woman they insist to say she build the man, she made every business where they start now, she start them. You think this your solution na the best way to go?
Who know the truth?
Okay.
Nobody know the truth. The husband will come out now and say, this woman no contribute anything with me.
Yes, and the woman go say, she do.
Okay, they're not born. Should be the born pikin.
They get 2 children.
So her own share, the husband will use it to train the children. When he gives this woman now, another man go come collect them. And
hey, you don't cross line now. You don't cross line. When he give him, another man go collect them. The one where the man they carry they go, no be woman go chop him. Now was Katia talk with that one now. No, who go chop him? Who go chop the one where they hold? He wanna train. Now only children want. He don't match line now. You match her.
Make it pay now. You women would have done that.
Nothing go pay us. They don't go make una finish. Now come carry money go. Make go swear for Yelala. Now Yelala go settle this matter. Why that they fear Yelala? We're creating herbalist today. Make it come outside.
We not take Yelala start.
Lie. Even for presidency, for governor, now all of us they go that Yelala. Now you know they fear God again. You know they fear God again. Why you jab all the phone me, Joe? I beg free me. I support me. They go. If you talk, say they talk through. Go Ayelala go swear. What did they pursue now? Person go they lie there. All these days, she put us in a walk inside evil forest. More than go there now. Anybody they lie, make it go back for evil forest. Well, I not too much like this. I better go. I'm a born again Christian. We don't go there. I beg this one can't. Chacha, listening to you always gladden my heart. Combination of entertainment and lecture together. Keep it up. Black Jew from Igondo High. Chacha, that man that was Katia is son man. Why you no one swear? Because he's a child of God. He's a child of God. Chacha, make you leave woman. The man got settle the woman. Thank God say money they the man hand. If not me, make the man give her waiting in one give her because she go use sauce as an option. No. His life is at stake. She can go to that place on her own. She better just talk him down. Because woman won't even get mind to think this level. She go any length. You feel me? Chacha, the woman good. How can she say she's the one that made the man rich if the man will not agree? My name is Michael Jordan. That's a brand name. How is your name Michael Jordan? I don't understand. Carry a big brand name like the answer. Why they? It's Saturday now. I say my name is Celine Dion. It shocked me. My name is Bill Clinton. I mean, your name is Muhammad Buhari. I don't understand. That brand be that too. Go outside your own. The second to the last caller said the fact women really get power. No. So I get power. I don't tell me since I get power. Wow. That woman, they lie. She made that man. And she forget to make herself. My brother, if I ask, I say, Cheche, your mouth, they scratch you. You made another person, don't make yourself. I don't go support that. But I made him. You don't make yourself, me. You know they make yourself was Katia. I made him. When you there, get power to make yourself. You don't make you make another person. Where are they go break? Make her come back.
Sugar Lele!
people don't send their Palava already. Now still your Chukma station was Zobia FM. In case you just joining now, my name now still Churches mate. Okay, hi Church. This matter get wait. I beg make the man do the needful and let her go since he wanted to divorce her, Mrs. Uwem. He don't reach to go. Ayala I no one go. But they go they brag, they make mouth. If you know say you truly they talk through and he show you pass, go swear. Now why people know they're accountable to things? When you read to swear, they go remember say there's a big God because they know say God is merciful. Why are you angry like this? This is anger that is causing this talk you're talking now. Church, my sister, I want to build a house and join my own house. The house will now be our house. JJ from Amour. Hi, churchalistic darling. Why the man they fear now? If not church in one, let them go swear with Bible. As long as two of them follow build those property, let them share it because that's all. Church, I no go agree. Make that woman change your mind. Men are very wicked. When they no get, you go see them humble. Once they get, you go see their true color. Now, why are they advise any woman now? If you know, say you there with a guy, but then a husband or boyfriend, whenever hold anything, that not being and you feel like he's nice to you, that not being true character. Wait, make it touch money. You go no, Cheche, you know what I'm talking about. Hey, familiar, I don't know what they're talking about you. No be everybody be boskatia. Cheche, you see, who where should know where they pay now. We are just giving advice based on what we hear. We don't know them and know the reason for divorce. The man might refuse to swear not because he's guilty. Not because he's guilty. Maybe his faith does not allow him. They should take it to family because I believe both families will know details about them or court for division of property. Ifi from Ikorodu. Hi, Cheche. What does the man mean by she don't chop her own? The man no chop too. Cheche, I think this matter should be our Palava, please. It's very important because as we speak, I know some family where it don't happen to too. When he reach to share things, the men will remember that they own it, but they will not talk about the emotional torture and the help, the support where these women they go through. On my own case, I even have to take a loan to support my husband's business. Business don't grow now. We begin to hear nonsense. Did you sign? Did you sign? You put them for any paper. Shebuna thinks when they tell you I'm gonna sign something, I think say the person they advise on wrongly. Did you sign? Or you let love just carry you go? Nobody say may love not carry you. But when una know say una will be human being, no they sincere to each other, make paperwork, they do all these things. Make una they do legal things. So that court go know how to make them easier for una. Because we humans, we they very terrible. I must tell you for free. Both the man or both the woman we be just two gender. If God create us six or 7 or 10 gender for this world, I'm not sure say this world go if una for not explode them. Only 2 gender. Where problem full everywhere. Nobody want they sincere to each other. Nobody. In your own case now, you say you collect loan on behalf of your husband, or you collect loan on behalf of business when I want start together. People they do business with their partners now. Nobody the other day where we come here can settle issue of business too. When they check for business paper, now the man name there, but you they claim say now you bring the money for the business. Una put them down for paper. You sign. Nobody say una no love but since we don't decide to fly without patching now, make people decide to shoot without missing. Go legal way to them. Call your own lawyer, make it call or make una use one lawyer sign for each other. Make lawyer witness some. Not be swear, not be curse. Now the thing to do to us to get to society where go work. Since we know they're truthful to ourselves, would they lie up and down? Both men, both women. Would they corner up and down? Would they wire people up and down? Would they chop people eye? Make would they sign things? But never sincere. Now the problem where you they see now is they trickle down from home to business to family to even love. When I don't turn them to scam. They sign them for paper. Oh, I be your boyfriend, I be your girlfriend, though. Me want do this business. Call lawyer. So that when it's up, court there to make them easy. No need to argue. You go just call your shoe for leg. The man, you go just call your boot, they look. Make court to see and break them the way it's supposed to go. Make everybody collect and share. Later I will come. That time I love her. That time I love him. That time now me support you. Now me no support you. I build you. Since you be a builder, now you be investor. What, you don't invest inside yourself. You don't invest inside yourself, but you claim you invest inside somebody else's life and the person make am. Meaning you are capable now.